Building upon over 50 years of experience making truing stands, the TS-4.3 offers our broadest range of compatibility and capability, making it the most all-around useful truing stand we've ever made. The TS-4.3 starts with our classic truing stand design. Tall uprights, a wide base, oversized caliper fingers, and integrated thru-axle adapters. Add on another speed knob, increase the white truing zone space, and powder coat the uprights, and you've got a stand capable of accepting virtually any wheel and tire combination found on a bicycle or e-bike today. Built from heavy gauge steel in St. Paul, Minnesota, and 100% rebuildable. The TS 4.3 from Park Tool.